Buenos dias, clase, or buenas tardes. As you can see, I'm a little later than my normal recording. Starting to get dark. So let's take a look. Wanted to talk about the week of August 24th this week. Spanish 2, you're going to be doing repaso A and B, which is ser and tener, possessive pronouns, present tense contractions. And then we have Spanish 3. You're going to be doing the present tense, irregulars, stem changers, reflexive verbs. So absolutely everything to do with the present tense. Heads up. So the packets, I made them Dropbox assignments. We're trying out this online thing. So I thought maybe that would be an easier way because it gives you more options. You can either record the packet if you're able to print it off, or you can make pictures, PDFs, and send them to me, or you can take a picture of what you worked on, or do screenshots. So I think this gives us the most options for how to turn in the packets. Participation, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about that. I'm going to do popsicle sticks with your name on it and hopefully get through the whole class each week when we're doing the corrections. I'm holding off on the diarios for now. Those of you that had me last year, those were our oral presentations. I think there are just too many things going on right now, so I think that's something I need to let go of for now while we figure out what we're doing with class. So let me show you where your work is. So we're going to head on over to the board, and here we go. Hola, clase. So here I am on our NEO. I'm using period 1 as an example. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to have the current week's assignments always at the top of the welcome page. And then what I'm going to do is have the previous week's assignments come down here. So if you happen to miss something, the links will always be available to you there. And then hopefully, of course, I'll add the links to NEO. But for this week, so this video will be heading there in our e-classroom. And I want you to see everything we've got going on here. We're going to work on Repaso A on Monday and Tuesday. The goal is to get to Repaso B on Wednesday, Thursday. Friday's kind of our makeup day, wiggle room day. We don't have the luxury of time with this schedule, so we really kind of have to keep things going. And the Repaso, by its sheer name, review, means in theory you've seen this material before, so make sure you do look at all the notes I give you at the beginning of the packet. All right, so that's what we have. So this week, you're going to either download or whatever, you're going to work on the packets A and B. I gave you a link on NEO for how to get to them. You have a vocabulary check-in form that is due Friday. Basically, you're going to tell me if you did your vocab review 15 minutes every day. Then on Friday, I want you to please turn in a feedback form for me, which will tell me pace is too fast, too slow. Can you go over something again? It's a good check-in for me to know how you're doing. Now go ahead and pop over to my website using your link. So on the third tab over on ClyneSpanish.com, class assignments link, this is where you're going to find the packets. Remember what I told you. The basic grammar review handout will be very helpful to you. Spanish 2, here's your Repaso A and Repaso B packet. Spanish 3, Repaso A, Repaso B packet. Do what works for you with this online adventure. You're either going to print out the hard copy so you have it to write all over while we're going over it in class, or you're going to have a piece of paper that you're writing your answers on, and make sure you write down what exercise it goes to. So again, you have something to write on. Or maybe you're a computer person, you can use an iPad or whatnot, and you're going to do it on a Google Doc. Whatever works for you, we're trying to figure it out. I want to do what helps you best. So that's the game plan for this week. Let's see how it goes. Woohoo! 1 week down, 7 more to go until we end this semester on October 16th, and then we'll finish off in January with the year. All right. I hope you have a good evening or a good morning whenever it is you see this, and I'll see you in class this week. Adios.